in our country.
That was President Trump pledging to crush radical Islamic terrorism. On the campaign trail, Trump was highly critical of President Obama and Hillary Clinton for refusing to say the words radical Islam. Well, in an op-ed for the New York Times, former Undersecretary of State for Public Diplomacy and Public Affairs, Richard Stengel, he tried to explain the Obama administration's aversion to calling radical Islam by its name. And he wrote, quote, "To defeat radical Islamic extremism, we needed our Islamic allies, the Jordanians, the Emirates, and, of course, the Egyptians and Saudis, and they believe that term unfairly vilified the whole region." Here with reaction from the Islamic House of Wisdom, Muhammad Ali Alahi, former Marine Steve Gurn, Act for America President Brigitte Gabriel. You won't even say, you've been on this show, you won't even say the words radical Islam. Why not? Because it's true. There are people that say in the name of your religion, in the name of Allah, it's become a worldwide problem, killing in the name of religion. Allahu Akbar.
Is it a new name? It used to be Al-Qaeda and Taliban and then ISIS, and now we call it radical Islam. We don't have such a
heading because there are so many radical Islamic groups.
Those who claim to be Muslim but not radical Islam, some Muslims who might be radical or they are radical, like those who are supported Takfiri and Wahhabi from Saudi Arabia. But the point is that the same president was saying...
Is Iran not radical? Is Iran not a radical?
You see,
the number one state sponsor of terror in the world.
Iran is the one who's fighting ISIS. Is radical to fight ISIS? Is radical
really?
To fight
Al-Qaeda? And the Iranian mullahs throwing gay people off
who
homes?
Is that Iranian in the last 3 years in this country?
You're defending Iran? You're defending the Iranian revolution and the treatment of women?
I am defending anyone who contributes to our civilization. You know,
and you're saying the Iranians, the number one world sponsor of terror.
3 years, Sean, do you know the last 3 years, more than 3,000 Iranian students got PhD in this country and serving this country. Is that radical?
I don't know how you don't see that it's not radical. It just doesn't make sense. I mean, it's completely all over the Middle East is being destroyed.
Anything radical, we are against it. Anything radical, we are against it.
But how are you against it? I don't understand.
What about radical Christianity? You're the one who killed the 6 Muslims in Canada. We don't talk about the religion. Was it radical or not?